Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover your MetaMask account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the MetaMask app or website and you will be directed to the login page. If you can't remember your password, don't worry. The next step is to recover your account using your seed phrase. If you saved your seed phrase somewhere, retrieve it and enter it into the provided space. If you don't have the seed phrase, you can contact MetaMask support for assistance. Once you enter the seed phrase, you will be prompted to set a new password. After that, simply click Restore to regain access to your wallet. If this method doesn't work for you, you can go to the MetaMask support page. There, you can submit a request for further assistance. If you're having trouble finding the right page, simply click on Contact Support and explain that you've forgotten your password or seed phrase. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully recover your MetaMask account. So that's basically how you can recover your MetaMask account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.